Welcome to Generative AI for Educators. This course offers an insightful look into the latest technology trend that's poised to significantly impact the educational landscape. Since the release of ChatGPT in late 2022, generative AI has made headlines across global media, capturing the attention of the world. Almost everyone is talking about ChatGPT. This extensive appeal reflects the transformative potential of generative AI. It offers new ways of creating and interacting with digital content. Furthermore, generative AI is a harbinger of a major paradigm shift. Many people believe that generative AI is reshaping the ways people study and work. It will lead to productivity gains and make a significant contribution to global economic growth. By the way, I am Unity, a digital human, which means I am a creation of AI models. A warm welcome to our course once again. In this course, let's dive into its impacts on education, learning, and professional knowledge work. We will discuss the capabilities as well as limitations of generative AI, and learn how to use it in the classroom. This course does not assume any technical or AI background. It is designed to be useful to anyone in education and is tailored to empower educators and learners alike. So, let's get started. According to McKinsey, generative AI could add $2.6 trillion to $4.4 trillion annually to global GDP. What do these numbers mean? By comparison, the entire GDP of UK in 2021 was $3.1 trillion. Furthermore, McKinsey emphasizes that generative AI has the biggest impact on knowledge work, particularly activities involving decision-making and collaboration. For example, in the area of applying expertise, the productivity score could soar from 24 to 58 with the integration of generative AI, effectively doubling the output. In contrast, the impact of generative AI on physical and blue-collar labor is comparatively minimal. Let's discuss two significant impacts of generative AI on education. First, as we see technology leap forward, one thing is for sure: the sectors that may encounter the most significant changes are those involving educators, professionals, and creatives. Generative AI is revolutionizing the way we handle tasks that require communication, management, documentation, and general human interaction. Consider educator and workforce training. Without generative AI, we're at a score of 15. But with it, that number could skyrocket to 54. Second, generative AI will significantly increase automation levels in occupations that demand a higher level of education. Unlike traditional automation, which affects lower-skilled jobs more heavily, generative AI is poised to automate some aspects of jobs that require more education. As shown in this graph by McKinsey, individuals with advanced degrees, those with a master's, doctorate, or higher, are poised to experience the greatest disruption due to generative AI. It's time for action. As educators, it's crucial to deepen our understanding of generative AI. We also need to transform the way we teach our students. Educators need to equip students with the skills and mindset necessary for a future dominated by generative AI. The image of AI in many people's heads is robots, like robots in warehouses or self-driving cars on the street. For many, however, generative AI is a bit more elusive. Chatbots may seem like a toy. Why does it have transformative capability? What sets generative AI apart from the AI we've known so far? Let's break AI down to three simple categories. First, AI algorithm for prediction. This is the AI that curates your TikTok feed with videos you can't stop watching, or suggests products you're likely to buy on Amazon or Taobao. It also includes AI algorithms that can identify cats in YouTube videos and recognize human faces. What this first category of AI algorithm does is prediction. Second, AI algorithm for action. Companies like Google, Baidu, and Tesla have heavily invested for decades in self-driving cars. What this second category of AI algorithm does is to take action in the real world. But here's the game changer. The third category is generative AI. These are AI algorithms for text, image, audio, and video generation. Imagine an AI algorithm that generates a photo based on your description, drafts email responses for you, or even writes programming code. What sets generative AI algorithms apart is that they can create new content. The generative capabilities are what set generative AI apart from previous types of AI. That's why this new technology needs a new name: generative AI. Imagine a world where machines don't just work for us. They are our creative partners. Generative AI can understand what you say and answer your questions. With just a few words of description, it can paint a picture that captures the essence of your idea. It's not just text and visuals. Generative AI algorithms can compose a melody, create rhythms, and even sing in a style reminiscent of renowned artists. Generative AI can also create synthetic data, which is new datasets that have never existed in the real world. The power of generative AI lies in its ability to learn patterns from vast amounts of textual data. Then it can use that knowledge to create something new and original. Let's take a look at 6 scenarios of generative AI applications. Generative AI algorithms, such as large language models, LLMs, can generate text. They are used in chatbots, writing, and coding. ChatGPT is the most popular chatbot. It can engage in natural and intelligent conversations with humans. Generative AI can also help us with text processing, including writing summaries, checking for grammar, and even drafting an essay from an outline. Furthermore, generative AI can write texts that machines can understand, which means it can write code. For example, programmers can describe what a function does, and then AI can write the code of the function. Generative AI has become a widespread tool in coding. According to Microsoft, GitHub's Copilot, a coding assistant, reached 1 million paid users in October 2023. Generative AI can also create visual materials. Models like Stable Diffusion, DALL-E, and Midjourney can create new images and edit images. Now, on platforms like Microsoft Bing, ChatGPT, and Baidu's Ernie Bot, you can generate images directly within chat conversations. Generative AI can also generate video. Generative AI models can turn a simple narrative to a compelling visual journey. Many believe that it will reshape the future of storytelling. Well, you may wonder, how can we use chatbots like ChatGPT in our classroom? As educators, we constantly seek tools to enhance our teaching and support our students' learning journey. Let's consult ChatGPT. What are its suggestions on how we can use its capabilities in a college classroom? We input the question and click the button. Here's ChatGPT's answer. For students, ChatGPT can break down complex topics to easy-to-understand explanations, provide instant feedback on their writing assignments, and even assist with learning new languages. During group activities, ChatGPT can serve as a great person to talk to, offering diverse perspectives and fostering critical thinking. Educators can leverage ChatGPT to design engaging course content and generate creative teaching materials. This can free up more time for them to focus on personalized student interactions. Feedback is crucial in education and learning. ChatGPT can help to provide feedback promptly, allowing students to learn and improve in real time. With ChatGPT's conversational abilities, language learners can practice their skills anytime and anywhere, enhancing their proficiency. So, generative AI tools like ChatGPT can serve as personalized tutors, writing assistants, and thought partners. They are already reshaping the educational landscape. There's one thing we need to watch out for. In the interface of ChatGPT, there is a line that says, ChatGPT can make mistakes. Consider checking important information. The mistakes in LLM's answers are called hallucinations. We will discuss them thoroughly later in this course. So, educators must instruct students on responsible AI interaction, encourage critical assessment of the information received, and ensure awareness of LLM's limitations. Additionally, the deployment of generative AI tools in the classroom should be aligned with learning goals and desired outcomes. What will you learn in this course? First, we'll discover together how AI models, particularly generative AI models, work. You'll learn how machine learning models use data to label things and their applications. Next, we'll explore how to integrate general AI and LLMs into education. Third, we'll master the art of LLM's prompting, which means writing instructions LLMs can follow accurately. Whether for creative writing, problem solving, or coding, crafting effective prompts is a fundamental skill required. Prompting is like typing on a keyboard when using a computer. Finally, we'll dive into the role of generative AI in education. We'll discuss how to integrate AI effectively in the classroom. I'm excited to share insights and tactics that will shape the future of education. I'll see you in the next video.